Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix YouTube crash problem. If YouTube, when you just click on YouTube and every time it is crashing, then how you can solve it. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your YouTube, long press the YouTube, click on set. You can also go to settings, apps, then apps. Here it is, search button. Just type here YouTube, then click on storage, clear cache and clear data from here, and it will fix all your problem in this app. You can also give all the permissions of it, like camera, contacts, location, microphone, phone, like these, and restart your smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.